Gator Pit of Texas Custom Barbecue Pits. What we have here is a customer brought his Pits and Spits brand smoker and gas grill to us. This was on casters, lower storage and on casters, and obviously we modified it and we designed a nice trailer for it so that he can turn his Pits and Spits smoker into a mobile. It now sits on a Gator Pit trailer, 3,500 pound single axle springs. We've got a Bayou Classic deep basket fryer that the customer brought us as well to attach, and we plumbed it as well. That's the gas line going to it. We have a 30-pound propane tank attached to it with a tank holder. We've got a 160,000 BTU burner that we fabricate ourselves that we built into the trailer with its own control valve there. And we welded the Pits and Spits stack in place. Pits and Spits makes their stacks detachable. They're slip-ons, so to speak. We welded it because it's obviously going down the highway. We don't want the stack falling off. We put a brand new control knob for his gas. We were able to keep the existing gas lines for the firebox. There's the gas lines that actually control the gas assist in the firebox. And we fabricated these nice Gator Pit box lights in the shape of Texas with LEDs. We put some locks on his doors so his firebox door won't open up. Nice little passenger side storage. There's another passenger side LED light. And we got a nice charcoal grill. So this guy can smoke and grill, charcoal grill, gas grill, and smoke with wood all in his trailer. Get a hold of Gator Pit. Oh, we put a pull-down coupler up there too with screw jack and steel removable wheels, safety chains. Let me know what Gator Pit can do for you. Thank you.